peaceful place where my worries and no rush, no noise, just a love that's true. I never knew this kind of beautiful until I found it in you. You make a cup of tea when I am tired. You listen to the dreams that I've desired. It's the little habits that we grew, like how I always lean right into you. The world is always shouting.